everyone, it's Siv. Welcome back to my channel, A Crafty Poodle Mom. So I'm coming on today to show a project share. I created this little happy birthday compilation of goodies for a sweet crafty friend. Hey Anna. Her name is Anna, Serenity Creations on YouTube. And I will put all of her information down below. I'm actually going to be posting this video after I know that she's received her package. So let's get started. So I used a lot of my Jaded Blossom dies to cut out this little postage die cut. I found a whole bunch of yellow. Her favorite color is yellow. So I found some glittered yellow cardstock and I mounted it with foam and a card mat from Jaded Blossom. And so this is a cut apart. So for the majority of my projects, I use the Michael's Rainbow to Dreamland Recollections paper pad. It's so cute. It's been in my stash for probably a year now, and I finally got to use it with some really pastel colors. Her favorite color is yellow, so I wanted to include a little, this is a little cute little Spellbinders die cut. Let me see if I have it. This is the Spellbinders. I believe I won it from an Instagram giveaway. It's really cute. It creates a little banner, so I created a little banner for the front of the card, and then on the back I will write a little a note to her. And this is the cut apart from the paper pack. I created these bows using Natalie Put Some Bling on It on YouTube. She had posted a tutorial on how to make these really cute bows, and this cardstock is really sturdy. So I made several bows. I made this really cute bow. This is the large bow that she made a tutorial for, and then this is also a large bow. We're doing a Hello Kitty swap the next time we are able to see each other. So I wanted to include some Hello Kitty items that I picked up at Daiso for her. So I wrapped something up for her. That Daiso haul is in the previous video if you want to check that out. But it's so simple, so straightforward, so cute. I had to make one. And this one is a pillow box. This is a pillow box I cut out from my Cricut using the same paper pad. And I whipped out my sewing machine and I made some ruffled crepe paper. I used the streamers that I picked up at the 99-cent store. And let's see, I think there's 5 layers. Yeah, there's 5 layers. And then there is using the longest width and length. I used it to ruffle it, and if you don't have the ability to do that, you can hand sew it down the middle of the crepe paper, and you can use 2 of the or you can use the little thread and then pull it to create this ruffled look as well. So that's what I did to decorate the top of the cracker, and inside the cracker are some sour high chews and watermelon, grapefruit, and lemon flavor. It's like Starbursts. They're really, really yummy. This is an LOL girl, and I had printed out a whole bunch of these LOL girls for my nieces, and I have a whole bunch left over, so I decided to use her, and I popped her up on a Tim Holtz rosette. And this is I think the March subscription of La La Land Crafts. They have a die. Let's see. You Are Sweet die. and I cut it out in the glitter purple, and I also cut it out in foam, and I'm gifting some to her as well. And then this little iridescent thread is from Hobby Lobby. Then I made some bag toppers. Actually, I made one bag topper, and I cut out a bunch to put in this little flip-flop, and I'll show you in a little bit. So at Daiso, I found these cute little unicorns. Since it's like a unicorn themed paper pack, I decided, and she loves yellow, I decided to buy these for her. If you haven't seen them, they are so super cute. So all I did was I tied them up, and then I applied some little sticky on the top, and so I'm just gonna secure it like so in her box. And so I just layered up a couple of little die cuts. This is a unicorn that says one of a kind. I cut them out for her to gift, and I also cut out a whole bunch of different, let's see, this is a La La Land craft die that I cut out with foam and some papers. And so there's actually 2 dies, metal dies in here. However, I don't have something to cut them out with, and so I just went ahead and cut them together, and they came out real cute. So there's the smaller inside heart, and then this heart I cut in half, and then I just glued it one on top of the other. And if you're not an Instagram follower of mine, I'm a Crafty Poodle Mom as well on Instagram. I posted a little process of how I put together this 3D Lori Whitlock flip-flop file that I picked up last year. I'm trying to organize my SVG files so that I can at least cut them out and use them in projects. So what I did was I took my sewing machine and I used some of the stitching just to stitch on it before I glued them down. So I really like how this turned out. I wish I had some pom-poms, yellow pom-poms that I can put up here, but instead I just put some Prima flowers up on top just to decorate it. And then I added some pink threading or trim that I found at Michael's a couple of years back. That's in my stash. So in this one, I made a little kit. So I added some of the crepe, ruffled crepe papers, streamers, and then a couple of the little LOL girls, the print and cut, and then this is a one-of-a-kind unicorn silhouette that I cut from the Cricut, and then these are some of the bag topper backings as well as some stickers in the back. So it's a little kit that I put in one of the flip-flops to create this bag topper. And then on the other side, I found some Hello Kitty measuring spoon, and then there's the other trim piece over there. I imagine she may be doing a video of her unboxing of her birthday goodies, so if you want to check that out in detail, you can head on over to her channel, and you should be a subscriber because she makes so many cute projects, and she enjoys making jewelry as well. So here's a closer look of the bow. And then I used my Cricut and I cut the happy birthday sentiment. I welded her name on the very top. And then this is a cat scrappiness die. I cut it out with foam and glitter paper and then stuck it on top. And then these, this is a SVG, no, it's actually a Cricut cut from the Cricut Design Space. It's the Damask Love Pretend Cake that she has in the design studio or design space in Cricut. And I'll link all that information down below. But what I did was I created 8 little compartments, and I used a variety of different colors that kind of match the paper pad. This is what the back underside looks like. And I hot glued this little purple ribbon that I picked up from Michael's. And what you can do is just untie it, and it just kind of comes up. It comes apart like so, and then each one is housed little goodies. I put little goodies in them. I have these little pom-poms that I wanted to gift to her. So each little cake box is filled with some really fun items, and I'm not going to open them all. You have to go check her channel out if you are curious to see what is inside each one. So that is basically my project share, and I hope she likes it. We are going to be doing a Hello Kitty swap, and I haven't posted her video because I know she will peek. I didn't have a chance to peek her video share, but I know she posted that one. So if you want to go check that one out, I imagine it's super duper cute. I will be posting that Hello Kitty box swap probably next month. Lastly, this is a little Hello My Crafty Friend die from Cat Scrappiness, and this is how I wrapped the I'm just gonna put this on top here somewhere if my box allows me to. If you check out that video, that'll be coming up soon. All right, so thank you so much for watching, taking the time and watching. I hope everyone stays healthy, you and your loved ones, and I will see you next time. Bye.